Good morning, everybody. So today I will do an exercise painting in wet on wet. I am thinking about a scene in a strong counterlight. So I will apply the effect that I love most. You can see the right hand side fellow here is completely red.
I already did a preliminary sketch of this painting.
I already know the result using orange and I like it. So this will be the horizon line. Quite a chemistry between them. So I really love this subject. Now I've made a sketch in soft pencil. Now I'm ready to do the wash. I'm thinking about weaken a little bit more the female subject because she will be completely blurred, I mean out of focus. Starting from here when the paper is really wet and while the paper is getting drier and drier, I will start this one. I think to use a lot of orange. This is Windsor orange. For sure I need ultramarine blue, alizarin crimson, yellow Naples, and I'll use also terra di Siena bruciata, which is translated wrongly in English raw sienna. Then this is a half done. The whole picture must be balanced, warm and cold.